Five world powers and Iran will hold a video conference today to discuss the possible return of the United States to the nuclear deal. In Taiwan, 41 people were killed and 60 injured when a train derailed in a tunnel today on Friday. Saudi Arabia urges OPEC to exercise caution to decide oil output levels. Indian troops murdered 3 Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Egypt and Sudan launch joint air exercise as Nile Dam tension mount. Biden gesture to Palestinian only symbolic, says PLO Hanan Ashrawi. Vaccination is not required to perform Umrah in Ramadan. US Human Rights Report takes well of secrecy of Indian crimes in Kashmir, Faiz says.